Hi, I'm Angela from Cake Angel, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Squirtle cupcake. Okay, so let's run through everything that you need to make Squirtle. So we've got our blue medium consistency buttercream. We have black icing, and that's in a bag with a tip 3. And also our white icing, which is also in a bag with a tip 3. And it's entirely up to you whether you use a coupler or not. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is give our blue icing a stir. And we're going to flat ice the cupcake. And I always like to make sure I have plenty of icing on my spatula when I do this so that it helps it to stick to the cupcake. And hold your cupcake and spin it at an angle so that you can get really close to the edge and fill in all those gaps by the cupcake liner. You'll notice as well that I'm using an angled spatula. So this one has a narrow end, which means you can get a lot closer to the edge. But straight spatulas and also teaspoons work just as well. Okay, and I'm going to just get a little bit more icing. And then I'm going to smooth everything over. And if you wanted this to be really smooth, you could actually set it aside and let the icing crust over for a little bit, and then either use some parchment paper or some flat paper towel to press out all of those lines. You can even pop it in the fridge as well to actually help the icing crust over quicker. But we're just going to go ahead and pipe all the details on Squirtle straight away. Okay, so that's done. We're going to move our icing. Next, we're going to pipe the details. So again, I'm using a tip 3 for this, and I'm going to start with his eyes first. So you hold in your bag at 90 degrees, and it's above the surface. And as you're piping, you just want to slowly bring it towards you. And then you can use your tip to smooth over the icing. And we're going to do the second one. And then once they're done, take a look at them and make sure that they are the right size. Again, because we're using buttercream and it doesn't dry quickly, we can manipulate that icing into shape with the tip. And then I'm just going to clean off that tip, and next we're going to do his nose. And this is just little lines, so again, keep your tip off the surface, just slightly hovering above, and 2 lines. When you're ready to finish your line, take the pressure off the bag and then pull away. Same as well for his mouth. So we just have a line that comes across, we're going to dip down, back up, and then across again, and take the pressure off. And the last thing we need to do is his eyebrows. So same again, a little line, and take the pressure off, and another one, and take the pressure off. And the last thing we need to do is just add the whites of his eyes. So make sure your tip is nice and clean for this. And again, holding it above the surface, squeeze and stop. Squeeze and stop. And there we go. There's our Squirtle cupcakes finished. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and check out what other Pokemon cupcakes we have, and let us know in the comments as well if you try this technique. Thanks for watching.